The Gourmet de Expert electric skillet is a portable and convenient appliance that is sure to provide some fun family dinner time. Ideal for at-the-table cooking, the Gourmet de Expert electric skillet's deep dish design is perfect for stews and hot pot meals, while the flat surface allows for grilling. The temperature is easily controlled using this lever. First, make sure that the lever is turned to off. Plug in the power cord to the skillet first and then into the outlet. Set the lever to the appropriate temperature. For example, 280 degrees is low enough for making thin crepes or omelets, 320 degrees for pancakes, 360 degrees for dumplings, and the higher temperatures for steaks and stew-type menus. This is the heating element. The circular heating element is large and heats the pan evenly so your food cooks through evenly. The tempered glass lid allows you to watch the cooking process, and covering the lid also helps raise the temperature quicker. When using the Gourmet de Expert electric skillet, make sure not to overheat the pan by heating the pan empty. At-the-table cooking is a fun and convenient way to enjoy good food with great company. Look for exciting recipes and ideas on our website and enjoy at-the-table cooking today.